Okay, I'm going to be doing the differential fluid change, gear oil change on my 1973 C3. So I've seen people actually take out the spare tire to get to the differential, but I was doing the shocks and stuff, and I noticed that at least on mine, I can get to it by just taking off the wheel, and I got a straight shot to it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the plug there. Use a crescent, but I was able to get one of those 18 or 16 point sockets. So I'm going to use like a socket and a ratchet and pull it off. It seems to fit pretty good. I'm using an 18 millimeter. Okay, let's take that sucker off. Put you there where you can see it. You can see it. I mean, I can't see it now. Okay. Right here. Okay. I think this one's got the limited slip. Okay, there we go. It's just so much to put my finger in there, and the level is kind of low, but not too bad. All right, let's suck that fluid out of there. Okay, got my big sucker gun here, so I'm just gonna suck the fluid out and see how much I get, and then I'll show you what fluid I'm using here. So yeah, I picked this up at Menards. I'm out here in the Midwest for like $9, so let's try it. Okay, trying to put you there so you can see what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Just putting all this fluid into a little container so I can see how much I get out. Ooh, there's a lot. I think they're supposed to be about a little more than a quart. About a quart and a third. Okay, I got most of that out. I got about, let's see here. This is a 2-quart container, and I got a little more than a quart, so that's pretty good. I think I got most of it out. I think you're supposed to really run the car for a little bit, and it'll help get most of the fluid out to kind of warm up the differential. I forgot to do that. This is what I'm going to use. I think this is the new part number, the 104108, the gear oil, and then you have to make sure and put the limited slip lubricant additive in, otherwise you can apparently ruin your differential. So I'm going to squirt about half this in, and then I'm going to put mix some of this inside one of the quarts here and mix it up, and then squirt the rest of it in. And then I'll finish off, top it off with this until I start seeing fluid come out of the little hole there. And yeah, should be good.